To make decorative pots in Minecraft, start by gathering the necessary materials, including clay, which can be found near water or in rivers. Dig the clay blocks and add them to your inventory. Next, open your crafting table and arrange the clay blocks in a square pattern, leaving the center square empty. This will create an unglazed pot. To glaze the pot, you will need to gather fuel, such as coal or wood, and smelt the unglazed pot in a furnace. Place the unglazed pot in the top square of the furnace and the fuel in the bottom square. Once the pot is glazed, you can dye it by placing the glazed pot and a dye of your choice in the crafting table. The dye can be any color, such as red, blue, or purple, and can be made from various items like flowers or ink sacs. Arrange the glazed pot in the center square of the crafting table and the dye in the square next to it. This will create a decorative pot in the color of your choice. You can now use the decorative pot to decorate your Minecraft world by placing it on tables, shelves, or anywhere else you want to add some color and style. You can also use multiple pots in different colors to create a unique and colorful display. Remember to be creative when making decorative pots in Minecraft, and experiment with different colors and arrangements to create a look that is all your own.